So let's start with the create purchase requisition. So give your material, what material you wanted to take. 1 TC steel, and quantity, how many quantity you want. Say as an example 10 quantity you want, and what which for which plant you want. 1 TCP. Storage location, 1 T storage location 1 TC. Yes sir, what, let me see. So purchase group, give your purchasing group purchase requisition something as a, give as a purchasing group PRG G1. Enter. Okay. So now this is showing because of location. Select 1 TC1 TC1. Okay. Now date you can change it as a something as a 30 uh, 31 December January. Okay. Now check if you have any missing information. Okay, so no messages issued during check, so no problem. You can just go for save. Okay, so document is created. 1009 purchase requisition. So where if you want to check other document, you can go for other requisition. If you don't have, you come back. You can check in ME2 year. Sorry, 5 year. ME5. Okay. ME5 year. Okay, so list of all your purchase requisition can be here based on your material group or whatever is it. So you just give your plant here, plant 1 TCP, execute. Okay, so now we have one purchase requisition here. Like this, if you can create for a multiple purchase requisition for different vendor, it will be better. So do we have any other vendor also? If you have a vendors, we can check also. SC16, SC16, LFB1, not 11. Okay, give the company code 1 TC1 TC. Yes, execute. So you have only one vendor here. Now what we can do, we can create another vendor. To create a vendor, what is the T code?
BP.
BP, right. Okay. So why is taking time? BP. Give the BP. It's taking slow today. Okay. So create one more vendor. Save. Okay. So BP is created. Now go for change. FLV. FLV. Company code.
Sarji, which one taken?
FLV and there is a company code.
Can I take a supplier?
Sorry? We have to take. We have
FLV.
We'll take supplier also will
Sarji,
take.
can you explain? Sarji, can you explain in how many categories will come in supplier PP rule?
In the sense, supplier how many categories?
In FLVN01
One.
is supplier is there, na?
It is only one. It is supplier. 1 second. Reconciliation 10003 was, is it? Okay. Now this area you save it. Okay. See company code. See company code we have taken FLVN00, right? Now for supplier we have to take FLVN01. Okay. This will be for the supplier vendor.
First, we have to create general and sorry, I also forgotten.
Yes, yes. First we have to take for general.
First, then
Okay.
then
Then we have
company
to
code.
for
Then
company code and for supplier. This is for third supplier. After creating, see, you will find the tabs here. Before it was only general data. Now it is showing company code also, purchasing also. Now because we have selected supplier, now it is showing purchasing tab. Save. Okay, two vendors happen now. Created. Now go for, if you want to view, you can view here how many vendors. Two vendors are there. See, 501 and 503. Okay, now what you can do, you can purchase requisition is over for this steel material, right? Now you can go for quotation. Now quotation, you can go with the ME41N. Request for quotation. ME41. Okay, create. Now when you're requesting for quotation, you need a vendor, multiple vendors, right? So that's the reason I've created one vendor, one more. Now see, you RFQ date you can give today's date, but that quotation deadline, it's up to you how you decide it. So whether you want to quotation should be within a 2 days or within a week or month. So those quotation deadlines you can give here. Okay, and then give the plan date and purchasing group organization, enter. Okay, so once you enter, give your some number, uh, 1 C S C N. Okay, see now if you want you can create it manually. Okay, quotation also, if with with reference to your what is it, PR, if you wanted to create, yes, you can go here back, you can go here back, you can select your reference for reference to purchase requisition. Okay, click here. So you have a one PR. For based on that one PR, see this is the PR request already default, it's showing because of a previous document. Enter. Okay, uh, give us something number, enter. Hmm. It's taking slow, it's taking much time. Okay, so you have to give always this collective number. See anything as your for your grouping purpose, purchase acquisition, you can group and you can see in one shot for a one group collective number. Okay, so now I've given one TCS. So this based on this you can generate a report and you can view.
It will where you can tell from.
I'll show you in the next screen where it will ask for collective number. For that reason, if you give here, it will be a purchase acquisition can be grouped. Okay, see now. So this is your purchase acquisition. If you have, you can list here. Now 10 quantity, deadline is this, quotation deadline is for this, delivery date is this, and supplier. If you want to select a supplier, you just go here, add the data. Okay, and create your supplier address. Okay, give your supplier number. Supplier number, enter. Enter. See, supplier number is came. Okay.
Guruji, we have to add all supplier individually.
Yes, yes, individually you have to give. Okay, and same way, save it. See, RFQ created under this number. Okay. Now again, one more supplier if you want to give your. Okay, RFQ created 294. Two purchase RFQ has been created. Okay, so like this you can create the suppliers. Okay, for change display you can see here, and list of display, web through vendor, material, same thing, same, everything will be remain same thing. Okay, now if you want to maintain the quotation, okay, if you want to maintain the quotation, come to ME47. Okay, so give your RFQ number here. Okay, so what is the terms they're giving it, you can maintain here according to them. Standard is just give us a 0001, that is immediate payment term, payable term. Okay, and then quotation, give the amount, what amount is charging for this. So if it is something as a 100 per unit, give as a 100, or 10 110 something. One we have given, I, I think here it is called too much, it is. Give something 10. Okay, 10 it is showing more because in we have material price we have given as a 1, so that's the reason it is highlighting. Okay, so if you want you can give as a per cost 9 rupees. I'm just giving. Okay, so let it be line and save it. Okay, so previous document I think 3 it was.
Yes.
Okay, for this payment terms immediately, and then here it will give us a 8 rupees per per unit. Save it. Okay, so two RFQ quotations been maintained here. Now display, if you want you can go for
Guruji,
display
one
here.
second, Guruji.
Yeah.
If you created RFQ now,
Hmm.
supplier is using SAP, and then it automatically go to supplier, na?
It will go for supplier, it is. Okay, it will go for supplier
If supplier is not,
through RFQ, it will go to supplier. From there, it will what the quotation it has been given, so that quotation will be maintained here.
this
Okay,
came from supplier only.
supplier only. Those materials, sorry, those code we have to mention in this ME47. Okay, so
I think
whatever the
ME6,
suppliers
ME47 is
to maintain the quotation, which is what the price and what terms of payment they are giving, what is the condition and what is the option they're giving. So those things will be maintained in quotation through the vendor. Okay, so whatever
If
the
supplier is not
okay,
hello, Sarjeet,
sorry,
1 second.
yeah,
If supplier is not using SAP,
uh-huh.
if supplier is not using SAP, then we have to enter manually, na here.
Yes,
We
yes,
have to
yes,
maintain
manually, yes, yes, manually, manually,
quotation.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so now after this display and the price comparison, now you do the price comparison here. Okay, now see here, each quotation you can give your number of quotation, one, two, three, four, whatever the quotation you have created. That otherwise you can give collective RFQ number. We remember we give as a one TC SCN. This is what it will be, shows all your RFQ. Okay, give here and execute. Okay, see here in one shot it shows all your quotations. One, two. Okay, so this is one. What is it? Supplier. The second supplier. Okay, and one supplier it is giving for 9. Second, another supplier is giving for 8. Okay, and if you look here, which is the ranking wise, if you look, which is better, like one first, they preferring the first one to buy from this vendor. Okay, second, because the price is more than 100. Okay, so this is something 98% it is calculating the percentage wise price, and the price if you look here, volume, all it is showing here. Okay, so that's the reason now it is showing as a one is preferences for this vendor. Now for once this vendor is showing, so what you can do, you have to go for your supplier for this and you have to buy it. That is nothing but your purchase order. Okay, now what will happen for this supplier? Now in this case you have to reject for this supplier. To reject, what you can do, you can double click on this, double click on this. Okay, see, you just go to reject indicator and save it. Save. It will go to the information to the vendor. Whatever the message is there maintained, it will goes here. Go back, execute. Mm, okay, so refresh why it is refresh. It will show there. It will show here. But for rejecting purpose, you have to just select the reject. Yeah, just double click and then go for reject button. This reject button is nothing but your cancel kind of thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Surji, what is quota arrangement?
Wait. Just stop here.